So this is a video on finding the average rate of speed and then converting the rate once you found it. So consider a distance runner who ran 20,000 kilometers in a 2-year period, running about 4 hours per day every day. First it says to find her average rate of speed in kilometers per hour, then convert that to miles per hour, and then convert that to minutes per mile. So the kilometers per hour isn't going to be very hard because we already know that she was running 20,000 kilometers every day, or 20,000 kilometers over that time. But we want our answer to be kilometers per hour. So we have to know basically how many hours she ran. And she ran for 2 years. So to convert that, we're going to have to we want to know really the number of hours, don't we? So let's take the 2 years. Of course, you'll multiply that by 365 days because she ran every day in those 2 years. One of them could have been a leap year and gotten 366, but we'll just say 365 days in 1 year. And for hours, she ran 4 hours per day. Now you got days here, so 4 hours per day. To get hours, we want this to be 4 hours over 1 day. So our years will reduce, our days will reduce, and we'll get 2 times 365 times 4. Well, you can use your calculator on that if you'd like. 2 times 365 is 730. Doubled is 1460. And double that again would be 2920. So let's just double check. 8 times 360. Yeah. So that should be 2920. So that's 2,920 hours. So we take that 20,000 kilometers per hour and we divide it by 2,920 hours. And that's just a simple division. 20,000 divided by 2,920, and that is 6.849. I'm going to carry it out quite a ways though there. So that's about 6.849 kilometers per hour. And now to convert kilometers per hour to miles per hour, that's not too bad either actually, because if we have the 6.849 kilometers per hour, and we write, if it's a rate like this, we typically write that rate as kilometers per hour, be 6.849 kilometers in 1 hour. And now all we really need to change is we need to get rid of kilometers, that would be kilometers down here, and we need that to become miles, so we want those to reduce. It's a pretty simple one. Now, you need to know the number of, and you could look this up, you don't have to memorize this. 1 kilometer is 0.62 miles. I happen to know that conversion because I'm a runner, but this conversion would be given to you if you were on a test, and you can look it up if you're at home doing homework. So we'll just take that 6.849 kilometers per hour and multiply that by 0.62, and that is 4.24638. So that is approximately, I'm going to carry it out, 4.246, I'm going to call that, miles per hour. Okay. Now if you're accustomed to walking, a very fast walk is 4 miles per hour. So this is faster than a fast walk, and they're running for 4 hours. So it's a pretty slow jog, but they're doing it every day for 2 years, so that adds up. Now we want to change that 4.246 miles per hour to minutes per mile. Now to get minutes per mile, I like to put my result, I want minutes in the numerator and miles in the denominator. So to find out how many minutes per mile that is, then you need to change 4.246 miles per hour would be written in fraction form, it's 4.246 miles over 1 hour. Well, if that's the case, then in 1 hour, she runs 4.246 miles. And so we're going to convert 1 hour for this many miles to minutes per how many miles. So how do we get rid of hours? Well, if hours is up here, we can put hours in the denominator and minutes in the numerator, and 1 hour is 60 minutes. And so we're going to get 60 minutes, because the hours will reduce, and over 4.246 miles, and we just do that division. 60 divided by 4.246. And if you wanted to carry out the farther 3/8, that's 14.129. I'm just going to say approximately 14 minutes per mile. You don't have to be that specific on this. 14 minutes per mile for that result.